Alright, so my friend Gary sent me a message wanting a adapter for a shopvac to a router table. So here it is mocked up in SolidWorks with a Revolve Boss feature. Made it about a 200 thousandths wall. That's Cura for the 3D printer. There's a 3D printer printing it out. It was about an 8-hour print according to Cura. It's printing it with the narrow side down, so you can kind of see a little bit of the material that would hold it up and support it, the support material. Used a transparent green PLA. Already had it loaded up in the printer and ended up looking pretty decent. PLA is a biodegradable type of plastic, kind of like what Coke bottles are made out of. But for this application, it'd be fine. Alright, this is a little bit bad audio here, and video. That's the material on the bottom. That there is the support material, so you gotta break it off. Comes off pretty easy. And just grabbing it with pliers, twisting it off of there, it kind of just peels right off. A little bit late in the evening here, so it's kind of dark. What a mess. Now if I would show it to the camera, that'd be nice. Basically it. So next little clip I'll do some measurements, see how close we got. Inside there was supposed to be 1/4 inches for a shop vac. So 1.227. About 23 thousandths under. And then the ID the big one. I believe that one was supposed to be 2.5 inches. Let's see, here is 2 point. It's 2.484. So 16 under. So I did put the shop vac in the small end. My shop vac fits
Inside's
it.
a little tight.
The question is going to be whether or not that fits the router table.
The wall thickness on this was supposed to be 200.
This was pretty accurate.
It's pretty good. It's about 10 thou over on the small side here, but that could be, yeah, actually it's pretty good that way. Little ledge there. Not too bad. A nice little radius in there. You can see it. Both ways. Small radius out here. Did not radius any of this. Sweet.
That's it. No real sanding or prep or anything on that. You see nice radius on the inside there.